friends, I have a Walmart grocery haul for you guys today. I did Walmart pickup like I've been doing so much lately, and I'm going to show you what I picked up. It all came to $141, so I'm going to show you what I got, and then at the end I'll show you our menu plan for the week too.
Alright, starting with the produce like normal. One of these weeks I need to mix this up and set everything up differently, but we're going to start with the produce. Lots of produce today, so we got a big 10-pound bag of potatoes, some sweet potatoes. One tricky thing with the orders online is that you order by number, so I said 4 sweet potatoes, which actually worked out just fine because I got 1 huge one and then 3 tiny ones, which will actually be a good amount for the meal I'm doing, but it's just a little bit tricky because I would more go by what size they are rather than a number, but it worked out quite well today. A bag, I believe it's 3 pounds of onions, 1 bunch of celery, 3 pounds of Gala apples, a bag of grapes. Broccoli was on sale for 88 cents, so I got 3 bunches of broccoli, 2 tomatoes, a bag of carrots, and then some bananas. I did buy a little bit more than this. My kids each had a banana on the way home from the grocery store. I got a lot of eggs, 4 boxes of 18 eggs. They were on sale too, and we have been eating so many eggs. Like, we'll go through a dozen eggs so fast with our big family, and so I got lots of eggs today. I got 1 carton of cottage cheese, some almond milk, and then 1 bag of our normal 2% cow's milk. For meat, all I got was this 1 ham. We got some juice, so 3 cartons of orange juice, and let's see here, 6 cartons of apple juice. I also got a whole lot of canned goods. Someone was mentioning in my last grocery haul that I need to check the prices on canned stuff at Costco, and I do need to do that because I don't know for sure if it's a better price at the grocery store or at Costco, but I did get a lot of stuff. Tuna was on sale for 88 cents a can, which is a really good deal. So I got 20 cans of tuna. That will last us a while, but I haven't bought it in a while just because, I don't know, it's like $1.30 a can usually, but 88 cents was a great deal. 2 cans of tomato juice. What else do we have here? We have 3 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 can of tomato sauce. That is for our homemade pizza. I've been making homemade pizza every other week, just trying to get into a habit of doing it more often, and so that is what the sauce is for. I got here 4 cans of kidney beans, 6 cans of these just baked beans to have sometimes for lunch. And is that all the canned stuff? Did I say everything? I think I did. Alright, I got 1 jar of extra virgin olive oil, 1 bag of oats, and then I felt like, here, I'll say this first, raisins. I felt like we were really low on like snacky foods, so I wanted to pick up a few things. I got 2 boxes of crackers, 2 bags of Teddy Grahams, some pretzels, some rice chips, the cheddar ones, 2 bags of cereal, so we got the mini wheats and the honey puffs, and then last but not least I got some cake. So this weekend there's going to be a birthday party at my parents' house. We do birthday parties once a month for all the birthdays in the family, and as you guys know, I come from a big family, so between all the kids and the grandkids, there's a lot of birthdays and a lot of people. So I'm gonna make cake for the birthday party this weekend, and I am doing 2 cakes. So I'm gonna do a butter pecan cake, and I'm gonna do that with some chocolate icing, and then I'm gonna do a lemon cake with some vanilla icing. This is the one thing they switched out. I said to get the whipped, I think it was just white icing or something, and they switched it with vanilla. That was the one Walmart thing that they had to switch out for me. So other than that, it was exactly what I ordered, and that is all of it. And here's our menu. So it's Wednesday today. We're gonna have this lentil soup. It's lentil soup with ham. Oh, I wanted to mention to you guys what I've been doing with my menu. Every week I make a double batch of something, like a cook once, eat twice thing. I put the other half into the freezer, and then every week I also have something that I have from the freezer. So it just makes it so that I only have to cook like 6 days a week instead of 7. I just get 1 night off, and it's really working well, and I like to have stuff in the freezer for just, you know, even just in case it's a really busy day and I don't have a time to cook something, I can just pull something out of the freezer. So that's been my new thing here. So tonight I'm doing a double batch of lentil soup with that ham. I've never put ham in the freezer, so I guess that will be an experience, and see how that goes, but we're gonna try that. Tomorrow night we're doing pita pizzas and some raw veggies. Friday I'm doing this dish that has sweet potatoes, chicken breasts, and broccoli in it. Saturday's the birthday party, so I just gotta make a cake. That will be an easy one. Sunday, we always have an easy lunch, so it's toast and scrambled eggs. Whenever I say our Sunday meal, it's always lunch, because supper is at like 8 o'clock after church, and it's usually just some quick bagels. So this will be our lunch. Monday I'm doing chili that's going to be taken out of the freezer. I froze that 2 weeks ago, so we'll be taking that out. Tuesday is our night that we are out at supper time, and so because of that we're just gonna have it on the go. So I don't even know what kind of sandwiches, maybe tuna since I have all that tuna, but it's just gonna be a quick and easy sandwiches. And then next Wednesday I'm gonna do shepherd's pie, and again I'm gonna double that and put the second one into the freezer. So now my big helpers Elijah and Charity are gonna help me put all of these groceries away. I feel again like it's a lot of groceries, but it's gonna be gone really quick in this house. So thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.